manufacture and boast of quality screws. The industry is very unformatted and unstructured, but we are maintaining a very high quality of focus in terms of manufacture. It's a 10-year-old brand in India and we are known for quality. We are primarily a furniture screw manufacturing company. That's a very large market in India. But people use our screws for various construction materials also. So when you say why are we different and how are we different, it is primarily only and only on quality. Whatever we manufacture in our plant is very quality focused. So we stand all quality parameters of the screw. It comes back again in quality. What we do is whatever we plate is absolutely as per the best standards of the industry in terms of the plating. So what kind of plating do we do, what kind of chemicals which are used, and how many hours of treatment is used. That is how we maintain the best. We have our own QA and QC department within our organization which works day and night to see that every single process is maintained and adhered absolutely perfectly. That's how everything is monitored. Their standard of production is better than the industry standards. We have all the best approvals, either it is ISI, ISO 9000, or the Indian standard Z Gold certifications, or for Europe CE approvals. So we adhere to all the best practices. The challenge which we face in India only is with the non-standard products, because the non-standard products are cheap. We are not. So that is how people start comparing, but it is very unfortunate we can't compare.